When it comes to raising chickens, few things are as satisfying as collecting fresh eggs each morning. Whether you're a backyard poultry keeper or manage a small farm, you want those eggs to be plentiful, healthy, and nutritious. But producing great eggs doesn't happen by accident. It all starts with what goes into your chickens. Feeding hens correctly can make a huge difference in both the quantity and quality of the eggs they lay. Let's explore the essential elements of chicken nutrition, uncover what to feed your flock for boosted egg production, and break down some of the most common feeding mistakes to avoid. Whether you're a seasoned chicken keeper or just starting out, understanding how diet affects egg laying will set you and your feathered friends up for success. First, let's talk about protein. Laying hens require plenty of protein to consistently produce eggs. Protein is the foundation for making the egg itself, especially the egg white, and is also vital for feather growth and overall health. If hens don't get enough protein, their egg production will drop, and the eggs they do lay may be smaller or have weaker shells. The ideal protein content for a laying hen's diet is about 16 to 18%. Most commercial layer feeds are formulated with this balance in mind. Chickens need more protein when they are molting or if you notice their egg production dipping. You can supplement their diet with high-protein treats like mealworms, cooked eggs, or sunflower seeds. But remember that moderation is key. Too many treats can disrupt the nutritional balance. Next, calcium is one of the most crucial nutrients for hens. Every egg has a shell, and that shell is made mostly of calcium carbonate. If a hen doesn't get enough calcium in her diet, she'll pull it from her own bones to make eggshells. That can leave her weak and more susceptible to health problems. If your hen's eggs have soft or thin shells, it's a sign they may be low on calcium. The easiest way to provide supplemental calcium is to offer crushed oyster shells or limestone grit in a separate container alongside the regular feed. Hens will eat what they need. You can also give them crushed, baked eggshells from your own kitchen. Just be sure to bake them thoroughly to kill any bacteria and crush them so the hens don't recognize them as eggs, which could encourage egg-eating behavior. Don't overlook healthy fats and carbohydrates. Chickens use energy for all their daily activities, including laying eggs. Grains like corn, wheat, barley, and oats are good energy sources, and most commercial feeds already include a balanced mix. Whole grains can be used as treats, especially in winter when chickens need more calories to stay warm. Always make sure their main diet comes from a balanced feed so they get all the vitamins, minerals, and amino acids they require. Vitamins and minerals are another key piece of the puzzle. Vitamin D is particularly important because it helps with calcium absorption. Chickens naturally make vitamin D when they're exposed to sunlight. If your hens are kept indoors or during the darker months of the year, make sure their feed is fortified with vitamin D or consider supplements. Other essential vitamins include vitamin A for reproduction, vitamin E for immune health, and various B vitamins for metabolism. Trace minerals like phosphorus, manganese, and selenium also play supporting roles in egg formation. Most complete layer feeds are designed to meet these complex needs, but you'll still want to monitor your flock's health for any signs of deficiencies. Fresh greens and vegetables are a wonderful addition to their diet and can improve yolk color and flavor. Dark, leafy greens such as spinach, kale, or dandelion leaves add extra vitamins and minerals. Carrots, squash, pumpkin, and peas are great too, but always feed them in moderation, as too much can upset the balance. Avoid feeding hens raw potatoes, green tomatoes, or any spoiled foods, as these can be toxic or cause digestive issues. Water is often overlooked, but is absolutely essential for egg laying. Hens need a constant supply of clean, fresh water. Without enough water, egg production can stop completely within just a day or two. Hot weather, lots of activity, and a protein-rich diet can make hens drink even more. Make it a habit to check their waterers at least once a day and clean them regularly to prevent algae and bacteria buildup. Now, what are some common mistakes to avoid? Firstly, don't rely too heavily on kitchen scraps. While chickens enjoy a few leftovers, human food is rarely balanced for their needs and can sometimes harm more than help. Bread, salty foods, and processed snacks are especially bad for chickens. Secondly, don't let treats overtake their regular feed. About 90% of their diet should be a balanced commercial layer feed, with only 10% reserved for treats and extras. Another mistake is not meeting the unique needs of different breeds or ages. Young hens just starting to lay need extra care, and older hens may need adjustments to their diet as their egg production declines. Large breeds generally eat more and need more nutrients than bantams or smaller birds. Observe your flock for individual needs. Seasonal changes also affect dietary needs. In winter, hens may need more calories to keep warm and might reduce egg production due to shorter days. In summer, hydration is even more important, and you may want to feed lighter treats like watermelon or cucumbers to help keep them cool. Offering scratch grains in the evening gives them extra energy overnight during colder months, but reduce it as the weather warms. Organic or non-GMO feeds are available if you prefer a more natural approach, though they sometimes come at a higher cost. Growers who want to offer pasture or free-range environments give chickens a chance to find bugs, worms, and green plants that naturally supplement their nutrition. However, even free-range birds benefit from a reliable source of formulated feed to ensure nothing is missing. Adjustments may be needed if you observe changes in your hen's eggs. Pale yolks, rough or bumpy shells, or unusual laying patterns can all indicate dietary imbalances. Take time to research and adjust your flock's diet as needed, or consult your local extension office or veterinarian for guidance. Ultimately, providing a balanced, varied, and high-quality diet is the best way to promote strong egg production. Hens thrive on consistency, so keep their feeding routine regular. Offer plenty of layer feed, supplemental calcium, occasional nutritious treats, and access to fresh water and sunlight. When you prioritize your chicken's nutrition, you're rewarded not just with more eggs, but with stronger, healthier birds and tastier, more vibrant results in every breakfast or baked good. Armed with the right information and a little daily care, you'll enjoy the full potential of your flock for months and years to come.